In this video I'm not gonna be speaking much, you know, just showing here, for example, strength, the primary, you know, all that stuff here. That's my main light here for test drive in the night, you know, at night. So I started making a frame for the windshield on the front, on the top of the car. Yeah, still haven't figured out exactly how I'm gonna finish it. A fuel tank is gonna be mounted here soon. It's a cylinder thing, and on top of it will be the air cleaner. And yeah, what more? I'm building a tunnel right now for the drive shaft. So here how it looks like. This is my tunnel. And yeah, more of that will be coming in the next video. I'm sure I'm going to show the inside and stuff, how I made the tunnel, and because I can't mount it till now because I need to make the other floor, the rear part of the floor. I made even a seat panel, so let me show you that. So I didn't want to make that in this video, but yeah. So here we are. Yeah, it's a kind of wood panel sitting on two, but there will be 4 bicycle seat springs, or how to call them, you know, if you can see that. I'm gonna focus in, you know, whoops, out there, and there are gonna be 4 of them, and the back of the seat will be here, of course, and you know, and yeah, the tunnel will fit here. So this is the tunnel. You can go through the windshield because I have no glass, of course. Yeah. This is the tunnel. And yeah. So now, why I made this video is just to show you me driving the car. So let's put it in position again. Yep. I'll be driving this car right now. I'm gonna put the camera on top here, as you see, on the selfie stick that I taped on the windshield frame, and I'm gonna show the spring in its moving process, but it is a bit shaky, you know. I'm gonna see the video, it didn't mean much, and you're gonna see the clutch, how it operates, you know. And yeah, I'm showing the clutch on that thing, and later I'm gonna turn the camera to my face and show you how I drive the thing and change the gears and stuff. It went a bit faster than I wished, you know, and I was a bit scared because the thing is built out of screws and stuff from a hardware store. Mostly. But, you know, yeah, pretty excited. Same time I see the clutch operating, same time as you. So have fun, enjoy that video, and yeah, see you next time. Have a nice day and nice week.